Welcome back to Always Dolls. This is Sarah and I hope you're having a great day. In this video, we share with you how to craft a delicious glazed Christmas ham for your dolls. Make this fun food craft in just a day. This stunning glazed ham is the perfect centerpiece for our dolls' Christmas dinner. And as a bonus craft, we show how to make the accompanying applesauce. So let's get making! Start by tearing off a large sheet of aluminium foil. We will use this to make the basic shape of our ham. Pick one corner and scrunch it up tightly to make the leg bone. Shape the remaining foil into a ball for the ham hock. At this point, it looks more like a chicken drumstick than a ham. Layer more sheets of foil on top to build up the size, squeezing tightly to make sure everything is compact. Place the shape on your work surface and press down to give you a flat base. Next, we will make the ham meat from air-dry clay. Take a pinch and roll it out into a flat sheet on a non-stick surface. Drape the clay over the top of your foil armature and smooth it out, working the clay towards the bottom of your shape. Pinch off any excess clay and use it to fill the gap on the underside. Use your fingers to gently smooth out any bumps or lumps. While the clay is still malleable, use string to make the scoring lines. Traditionally, ham is scored in a diamond pattern. But today, we are going to take a modern approach, impressing horizontal lines over top. Leave the clay to air dry for an hour or more so it is semi-set. Then we can paint. Mix brown with red paint to create a base coat with a warm undertone. Paint this colour all over the ham, making sure to get into the recesses of the score lines. Allow the base coat to dry. Then come in with a yellow paint to add highlight over the top ridge of the ham hock. Blend out any harsh lines with the original brown colour. Following this, tap a little black paint in key areas for that crispy cooked look. To mimic cloves, we are going to use these tiny black seed beads and adhere them one by one to the ham with tiny drops of liquid glue. At the moment, our ham looks rather dry, so we are going to add a gloss sealant to bring out that glazed shine. Once the ham is glossed, you can really see the colour depth created by the shading process. For festive decoration, we will use sprigs from this fake plant and the styrofoam balls from this faux holly plant. We opted to glue the pieces permanently to the leg of the ham using liquid glue, then tied it all up with a jute bow. To serve our ham, we are going to use a plywood coaster for a tray. They are the perfect size, but a bit thin, so we'll glue two together for sturdiness. Here, we glued more faux leaves in different sizes to the tray for garnish. Then made additional clusters of berries and green sprigs to place along the side of our ham. Now let's make an accompanying applesauce. For a bowl, we will recycle the cap from a deodorant can. It's the perfect size and diameter for a doll breakfast bowl, but we'd like to make it a little shorter for our applesauce dish. Fill the cap about 2/3 high with aluminium foil. To make the applesauce, we mixed craft sand, Mod Podge and a yellow resin dye. Experiment with the ratio of craft sand and Mod Podge until you get a smooth pureed consistency. Scoop the mix into your cap, pushing it out to the edges. To garnish, we curled craft cardstock into a tiny cinnamon stick and teeny air-dry clay brown stars. Leave the sauce mix overnight to set. Fantastic! Our dolls have a delicious glazed ham to serve on Christmas Day. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to click the like button and subscribe to support our crafty content. Thanks for watching!